Hey guys, before the video starts, I just wanted to say a big thank you to everyone and to let you all know this is the last unboxing until the next batch gets here. I will be posting my games for the time being to make up for it. Let's begin!
Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the long-awaited unboxing of my Rocky Goodies. I am so excited! But yeah, I am so excited for these. So let's get into it. I got these about probably a week, 2 weeks now, but I've been saving them, and today is the day. Oh crap. So I would really like the secret, to be honest. Probably Up to Mischief, Play Bear, Become Rebel are my top 3. Yeah, I don't mind getting back to Y2K. So these are my top 3 here, and the secret. So let's see. Okay. What do we get? Ooh, this is Sing Rock. And he has his little clothes with him. But this is Sing Rock. He is so adorable. Look at his face. I love him. So you're gonna put him right here. Let's yeah. Oh, I forgot to show you guys his card. What is this? I feel like if it's Back to Y2K. Oh, it's the one I wanted! It's Play Bear. The one I wanted. I love it. Look at his little head. Yes, so cute. I will put on their accessories at the end of the video, so I open this one. I want Up to Mischief. Is it the one we want? Is it? What is this? Back to Y2K. Yeah. For a second there, I thought it was the secret. I just love how they come with their own little accessories. So, this is Back to Y2K. He is cute. Yes. Okay, so we got one of the ones that we wanted. So let's go to the next one. Please be up to mischief. Is it the one we wanted? Okay. This is who? Who is this? This is Monster Imitation. I don't know how to feel about him, but he is cute. But he is cute though. I don't feel like if I ever get a secret, but that's okay. And I got this set from Kika Goods. I forgot to mention it. I got this set from Kika Goods. So, is it the one we wanted? Yay! We got Become Rebel. I wanted him. So this last one could either be the secret or Up to Mischief. Let's shake for good luck. Of course I did the bad route. What did I get? Oh, I got Up to Mischief. I really wanted a secret. Just saying. But that's okay. I really wanted a secret. But I love all of these. These are gonna go in my bag. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, certain ones will grow on me, but they're so stinking cute. I love them. So unfortunately, we didn't get the secret, but we did get the full set except the secret. But that's okay. I think I love these more than the Labubus. I'm not even gonna lie. But he's my favorite. I really wanted him. So cute. And I already dressed them up. I don't think I show you guys the card. This is his card. I keep forgetting the name of these. This is Become Rebel. This is the other one that I wanted. This is his card. Monster Imitation. I'm not a fan of orange, must say, but he is cute. This is his card. Simrock. I just love their accessories. His card. The top three that I wanted, I got them. So I'm not even mad. I might do secret hunting for this series as well. So this is his card. And the last one, back to Y2K. I don't know why his hat don't stay on, but this is him, and this is his card. But make sure to like, share, subscribe. Catch you guys in the next video. Bye.